drum kit with use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So all of these things you are seeing, they runs with the key. So if I take A, okay, if I A S B F G H J K L, so it will work like this. So yeah, so this is what we are going to create today, this beautiful drum kit, and with sound and all those things are there, which click of the key it will do. Okay, so let's get started. And as usual, I have this drum kit. Let me open it with VS Code, a folder just with drum kit. Okay, and here one index.html as always, style.css, and main.js. Okay, let me do one more thing. Let me have the music and the image folder also here. So the sound you are seeing, they are from a sound file. So this image is just a drum kit image is there, and sound, all the sounds are there. Okay, so which we are doing. So both of them are done. Now we'll go here, and let me make the font size a bit bigger. Yeah, so like this, drum kit. Let me link my CSS, which is style.css, link my script, which is main.js. me save it. Now the first thing which we are going to get is a HTML structure, so let us get that. Okay, okay, so we will, first thing which we are going to have is a div which will contain all our keys. So let us have that div dot keys, which we are going to have, and inside this we are going to have all of the different keys, like all of those which we are pressing. So dot key we are going to have, and then this we are going to use the data key attribute. So for using the data key attribute, we have to add everything in everything we have to add the data key, so we will use that. And data key, so it's a very good attribute. By this we can assign it to the ASCII value, so means 65 I'll do. So 65 is the ASCII value of A, so kbd. So this is a tag in which I will do A, and pan clap class of sound. So similarly for all of the others also we are going to do. So 65, let me have 6 first, then I'll change, and after the 65 it will be 83 s, rest of them are same, 83 s, 68 d, 70 F 71 G 72 H. Let me have some more. H J K L. After this, after H, it is J, which is 74 J 75 K and 76 L. Okay, 76 L. So okay, so this is done. After this, we are going to have a have all of our audio files. Okay, so let us have all the audio files. So this with this data key, we will assign the audio files to different thing. So let us have that. After this, we are going to have a audio file, and audio src will be according to whatever means sounds is there, and clap.web. And the main thing is this. See, clap was this span, just we're taking the span. So this data key is there. So data key attribute is very important for the this to be matched with the keystroke. Okay, so data key I am doing like this. Okay, so after this, like this, 83 hit hat dot web. Then after that, 68 kick dot wave, 70 open hat dot wave, 71 boom dot wave, 72 write dot wave, 74 snare dot wave, 75 tom dot wave, 76 tink dot wave. Save it. Okay, so this is done. Now it's let me make it live. Into one thing. Okay, so right now I don't have anything. It is just showing a clap and all those things it is showing. So all the main thing is now we are going to do it from the CSS file. So let me go to the CSS file here. So the first thing is HTML. It is font size is 10px, and background. So background is the image which we are going to show. Background URL is images drum.jpg, bottom and center. Background size is cover. Okay, now body comma html is margin of 0, padding of 0, and font family of sans serif. Okay, so that is done. So let me see. Yeah, it is showing good. Now this keys we are going to target. Keys. Now here, so everything is a children of it. Okay, so display of flex I will do, and flex of 1, min height of 100, vertical height, and align items is center, and justify content is center. Dot key. So this first I've done the keys, which is a parent. So see, everything is coming in the center because of that. Okay, so now we target the key, this class dot key. This we're going to target, and with that border of dot forem solid RGBA 0, 0, 0.024. Okay, then border radius of 0.5 rem, margin of 1 rem, font size of 1.5 rem, and padding of 1 rem and 0.5 rem, and transition of all 0.07 sec is, and width of 10 rem, and text align is center, and color is white because it is totally black and we are not able to see anything. White, not important, sometimes auto suggests anything. So background, we have to give background is RGBA 58, 53, 53, 0.4. Save it and see, it's now showing quite nicer than what it was earlier. Okay, so now we will be having some more which we are going to have from the JavaScript. So there will be one dot playing thing and transform. So scale. So when we press this, the scale generally increases. So this transform scale. Border color is hash ffc 600, and box shadow is 0, 0, 1 rem hash ffc 600. So this will not affect anything. So but this kbd which we have done, so we can do like this, and kbd means anything. So we can do like this inside the data key. So kbd we have done, so it doesn't means anything. Keyboard maybe. Okay, display is block, and font size is 4rem dot sound. Font size is 1.2 rem, and text transform is uppercase. Letter spacing is 0.1 rem, and color is hash ffc 600, our favorite yellow color. So this is done, and this all sound class, this is also done, and now it is showing perfectly. Okay, now it is showing perfectly, but nothing is working like this. No, it is not working. Okay, so we have to make it work now, and let us do that now. So now the logic for our main.js will be there. So we are going to do it here. So first thing is that we have to have an event listener. So let me have an event listener first. Window.add event listener is key down. So key down will have, and when the key down will be there, there will be a play sound function will be called. Okay, so the play sound function will be called. So let us make that play sound function play sound. It will take e, and const audio equal to document dot query selector, not query selector we are doing, and it will have audio data key equal to e dot key. So this is a bit wrong. This data key is not like this. This data key will end here. So audio data key equal to dollar e dot key code. So e dot key code will give us the key code, like whatever we press, a c a d, whatever we press, so that will do. And document dot query selector, we are doing data key. So here, let me come here. So this we are selecting this thing. So data key, it will select exactly the key code, means 65 83 whatever is there. So we can do it like this. Okay, so similarly what we want to do, there will be for a key also. So let me write key, and document.query selector, here it is not audio, here it is div. Why it is div? Because here it is div. So this is the benefit of using a data key attribute. So we can directly map it to like this. So e.key code is what? E.key code is 68 and all those things. Why it is 68? Because this is the ASCII value. So whenever we press the key down like A, D, so the ASCII value get passed in the E. And E.key code will give us the exactly the ASCII value of it. Okay. So like this we are done. And so if not of audio, then return. And if a statement can be done in a single line also, like this, so no audio is there, then because it can happen like user press a q w, which we are not taking, we are taking only a and some of the keys. So user can place a q w e something else which we don't know want. Okay, so now after this, key dot class list dot add playing playing. So playing class will add it, add playing class. So this is the playing class which will transform it bigger, and box shadow it will border color, and box shadow it will give. So this is what we are adding. And audio dot current time equal to 0, and audio dot play is like this. So we are playing it after this. Okay, so let us do that. Let us see whether it is working or not. So current time we're doing because we don't want to play it for a long time. Okay, I am here, but there is a problem. I think in S also there is some problem. Okay, in S also there is a problem. 83. Okay, but we have a bigger problem. Okay, and that bigger problem is that this all are not going away. So these transitions we have to remove. So this all are not going away. For that, the transition to be removed so that it is not shown like that, we have to loop through all of them. And let us do that. And const keys equal to document dot query selector all of dot key we are going to do. So because this sends us some HTML collections which is not exactly array, so we have to change it to an array so that we can use that nice for each, or else we have to use the for loop. Okay, I don't want to use the for loop, so I will do one thing. I'll convert it into a perfect array dot from. With array dot from I'll convert it. And okay, keys is this one. See, key is everything have a class of key, so everything is what I'm selecting. So key I'm doing, and after that key dot for each and key dot add event listener. So I'm getting all of them and adding an event listener to all of them. Okay, so transition end, so means when the transition will end. So there is a transition when I place this, there is a transition. So when that transition will end, then what I will have to do, I have to remove transition. So remove transition is a function which it is not key, it is keys. So remove transition is a function which we have to create. Let us create it at the top of it. Function remove transition e, like this. If e dot property name, either property name not equal to transform, then return. So there is a transformation which we are going, and then e dot class list dot remove e dot, not class list, e dot target dot class list dot remove playing. So the remove class which is getting added in all of them, because we have added it here, class list dot add, we are just not removing it. Okay, so let me save it and let me go back. So it goes back after some time, as some problem is there. G H J K L, it is coming fine. This is which I have. Okay, so I think here in as some problem I have, it is 83 or what. Okay. Anyways, this is not. It had dot wave 83, which is the S. It is it at dot wave, and one thing which I have done wrong, which I should fix it. It is hit hat. Although this is not using it, but it doesn't seems like nice. Means you should know what it is. Kick. Actually it shows at the end. Okay, I was wrong. So the thing you have to do, kick. After that, F is open hat, G is boom, ride, snail, Tom, and Tink. Save it. Now it is working fine. G H J K L. So it is working fine, and you can play some music also here. Okay, so with this we complete this nice drum kit. If you like it, so you can go through it, and it is created from a article, from a post which my intern have done it. So this she is doing some posts, as you all might know that most of my posts, most of my YouTube videos are from my blog, because I am a blogger first, and then I became the YouTuber. So everything I create a blog, and then only I go. So my intern is, she is doing nice work, and she is creating this JavaScript project. So this is there, and with this actually I complete today's stream, and I want to tell you again that from this Saturday onwards I am going to have that ReactJS bootcamp, weekend bootcamp, 2 hours on Saturdays and Sunday, intensive bootcamp it is going to be. And I'm giving a special Diwali offer also on that. So link is there below, you can check the link there in the description, and if you want you can come to the boot camp, and I'll teach everything in React.js, and the rest of the thing you can ping me if you want to know. And with this I have some other boot camps also, so all of my programs you can learn about them below. And on top of it, please do subscribe to my channel so that it helps me create more videos like this. I'm creating videos almost daily. It is, I think it is more, it is around 40 days I'm doing daily videos, daily live streaming I'm doing. So help me support in this initiative by subscribing to my channel. And thank you again. I will meet you again tomorrow.